Welcome back in. In Alabama, 30-year mortgage rates are just over 6% and below that for 15-year loans. Plus, home values are trending upward in the state. So if you're a homeowner or a potential buyer, might be a good time for a financial checkup. Joining us this morning is Stephanie Yates, Dr. Stephanie Yates, finance professor at UAB. Good to have you with us this morning.
Thank you for having me.
No, absolutely. You would think most people know what their interest rate is, but I'm not sure they do, and everything that's around it. Tell them what they should do. Step one.
So a lot of this is just about awareness.
Okay.
So step one is just find out what your mortgage rate is. Maybe it's been a while since you took out that mortgage, and so you just want to know your number. So whether that's checking your latest mortgage statement or even calling your financial institution, but we want to know what the number is.
And the reason for that is, what is the benchmark now for deciding whether or not you want to refinance?
Most people say about 1%. So 30-year rates are about 6%, 15-year rates are a little bit lower. And so if your mortgage rate is 1% or more higher than that average, then maybe it's worth looking into.
Okay, and then it also depends on how long you think you're going to be in the home.
Absolutely.
So what would help you determine that?
I usually say at least 5 years,
Okay.
maybe 3 if it's a really good deal, but 5 years is a nice sweet spot where you're going to get your money back.
All right, so the other part of this is checking your home value, and everybody gets their property tax assessment every year from the county. And you know, a lot of times they don't even look at it though.
Right, and that's the thing. That's why you want to know what your home value is, either through Zillow or Realtor.com. So when you get that assessment and you see something that isn't anywhere close to what you were expecting and it impacts your payments,
Okay.
then maybe it makes sense to challenge.
So if you notice your escrow going up and you're wondering why, it's because that's gone higher, but you can challenge it.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
Now, I'm not saying that it's a guarantee that you'll win the challenge,
Right.
but it certainly doesn't hurt to try, because those taxes really have an impact on your monthly mortgage
Yeah, they really
payments.
do. And the other thing that has an impact on your escrow is home insurance. So talk
Yes.
about that.
Yes. You know, a lot of us think of home insurance as set it and forget it, meaning I get that policy when I buy the house and I never have to worry about it again. Well, there's a lot of competition in the insurance market. So why not periodically just get some other quotes and see if you can get a better deal? And while you're at it, make sure you're checking to see what your deductible is.
Absolutely. All right. Well, that's some good advice there for folks out there. Dr. Yates, as someone once sang, you better shop around.
That's right.
All right. We'll be right back. Stick around.